Yes, this video is particularly dedicated to all women, females in general, especially those who are still menstruating, who are still within their reproductive stage or age. The video is actually based on increasing oxygen level, which is in the body, which is good for both man or male and female. But we lay emphasis, or I direct it to women because females, because the level of oxygen in the body of a woman is not consistent, average like in men. Women have a monthly process which is menstruation that depletes their hemoglobin levels. That means their red blood cell level. In the course of that, oxygen reduces in their system, and that's why you see every woman looks dumb. The level of intelligence depreciates whenever she's within her menstrual cycle. That is indisputable. If you go into some studies, you are going to observe that. And this is not because it's the female sex, it's due to the fact that there is a reduction in red blood cells in the body, and therefore oxygen is limited in supply in the brain. And when that takes place, coordination or cognitive functioning or reasoning becomes limited. So we have an optional replacement for that, which is honey in warm water. If you can take a tablespoon or two of honey in warm water, there will be a drastic increase in the red blood cells production, and that will enhance the oxygen level, and the woman will recover from that dumb attitude towards her menstrual cycle. So we should also try to do ventilation of our lungs. This and makes us to be able to live healthily, and we can do that by relocating sometimes to sites of good habitats, like go to villages, go to less concentrated areas. You observe, if you move in any market or in any city, the air you breathe there is different from that of every village. So there's a lot of pollution in the city, a lot of dust and gases, pollution of all forms, especially air pollution, which reduces the quality of oxygen intake in the body. So let's take this aspect of oxygen very important. We try to ensure that we always keep it up there. We have what we call a pulse oximeter. I think is always recommended for each family to have one. This is a pulse oximeter. This can give you a guide of how many percent of oxygen that you are inhaling that is circulating within your system at a particular time. And it's not limited to oxygen for the lungs alone or the body oxygen level saturation. It is also important for your heart pulse. It tells you how functional your heart is. It's also good to have this device at home. They call it the pulse oximeter. It's very important to have one. So as per the pulse, if you have that machine or device, you should know that the pulse of the heart, the normal average man should have a heartbeat of 72 beats per minute. If it's going low, it should be 60. If it's high, it should be approximately 80 based on your activity. But those whose hearts are functioning very well are those within the range of 60 and 72 beats per minute. So I thank you for watching. You give a thumbs up if you benefited anything from the video. Share and press the like button. Bye bye. I will see you in my next video.